Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida. We're a 19-year builder of the finest truck mounts in the industry. We also have the patented heater called the Access Point Heat Exchanger that gives you great heat, and most importantly, you can get high pressure. Unlike these overpriced units that try to drain your pocket and give you a machine that's incapable of getting over 1200 psi. What's the sense in buying a unit, getting high in debt, and yet not allowing you to pay off that debt because you can't do the high pressure jobs? And there's a lot of money in those type of jobs. So these units will do up to 3,500 pounds. Our heat exchangers are rated for 3,500 pounds plus. You can get great heat out of these units, great suction, easy maintenance because you can go in and replace belts. They use all the same belts. Open concept, easy breathe, easy fix, no stressing out on trying to be able to fix or change out belts. We got belts, we got a belt tensioner right here built into both of these frames. We try to make it easy for the end user because I've been in business for 46 years. I know what it's like to go out and do service jobs late at night and having service issues. I wish I'd owned one of these Blue Barons back in the 90s and up to the late 90s when I was doing a lot of night carpet cleaning for restaurants. And these units are golden, okay? Just the way they're constructed, quarter plate. The bottom base plate is all quarter plate, powder coated, beautiful units. And last step injection, accessory lines, drain for both your engine and your water pump. Everything's just nicely put together, high quality 316L, TIG welded stainless headers. As you can see, just everything is just laid out beautifully, open concept, easy breathe. You're not going to be struggling with covers, those louvered covers. They like to choke up all those components. I don't know what it is with these manufacturers that just want to really make a big mystery into how these units are built and make it very difficult for the end user to change out belts and have to rely on another service center to help them out. You want to be able to do most of the work or all of the work by yourself. Easy to get parts. Car wash industry sells these parts. We use only the highest quality, high pressured, high tempered brass and steel parts. So we go all out to just put all that we can into the quality of these machines. I mean, look at this. This machine is beautiful. Okay, both these machines. And we, like I said, we take a lot of pride in what we do. So like I said, you want to get high pressure, buy a Blue Baron unit. Don't buy a unit that has a coupler either. You want belt driven. Belt driven will give you more reliability, early warning. I've got customers that have like 5 or 6 years on the original belts. I've got names and numbers you can call, and they'll testimonial to the fact that these units last a long time, and they get hours and hours. I got one guy that's got over 7,000 to 8,000 hours on his unit. Last time I checked, he said 7, but I know he's busy every day, and he went the first 5 years on the original belts. That was a compact 45. A lot of these units, even the SE series, they're getting a lot of life out of the belts because we know how to build our units, properly lay out the parts so that you can get to the components easily. And, we just take a lot of pride in what we do. We've been, building for 19 years. So we really enjoy, we have a passion for what we do. And so you can see the control panel up here. It's got a tachometer and an hour meter, kind of a bonus right there. We have the temperature gauge. We have the HG's vacuum gauge and pressure gauge. Acrylic flow meter. We have the middle panel here also is for your unloader, pressure regulator, adjuster. We got your water inlet, an area where you can lubricate your lobes to your blower, last step injection. You got your 3-way valve, and you got also 2 wands for you could actually do a dual wand for this unit. So one might want to have one on one end and one on the other if you're doing a bowling alley or a large facility. And we have instructions at the bottom on this unit here. It also has a post heater at the bottom. There's nothing that intercedes the vacuum versus the heat exchanger. They are completely different separated systems. You don't want to have them converge together because you're going to end up with a lot of problems with cancellation of heat, high differential. You'll put a lot of differential on that blower, which causes high heat and friction. So you want the maximum amount of CFM. And all these units are just really, you know, everything from the bar stock fittings that we use, our manifold, that's custom built manifold. This particular customer wanted a vacuum gauge, so we put that on for a little extra money. This is a 3LS. This is capable of 350 feet of vacuum hose. Great dry times. You'll be very impressed with the dry time. Our testimonials just go on and on. We have one testimonial page that just keeps going on and on from every single person that's bought either our heat exchanger or any one of our models of Blue Bearing truck mounts. We take a lot of pride in what we do. And when someone gets a hold of one of these units, they don't sell them. A lot of people ask me, do you have anybody that's got a used one? And no, they keep them. They keep them because they last a long time. We take a lot of pride in what we do. This Predator engine can be also swapped out with a little extra money for a Kohler engine or a Honda. So we do allow a certain decision of, you know, selection tailored for the person's budget. You know, for the people that come in, we value your dollar, your hardworking dollar, and we'll give you the best the industry has to offer. As you can see, everything here is just straight up quality. This will also do 600 feet, by the way. So it's a dual wand, it has dual wand capability. Look at this, all stainless flex hose, nothing cheap about this. Even at the bottom here, you got the post heater. Just everything is just really nicely put together, and you'll be very pleased. And if you want to come down here to make an appointment, come down here and test these units out, you'll be very impressed. Easy to install, really thick 3/16 brackets, just really nicely put together units. So look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7 or call us at 727-505-2989. Ask for Pete. And these two units are going out. This is February 2026, and we're putting out the units. Thank you.